Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of ChatGPT and Cider. In order to do so, let's start off here at chatgpt.com. And if you're unfamiliar with ChatGPT, it is one of the leading chatbots that's available. And all you have to do is come to chatgpt.com, sign in, and you will be met with this screen here where you could pretty much ask anything. Whatever it is that you might think of, whatever you might be interested in, whether it's brownie recipes or quantum physics, you can come here and you can ask ChatGPT about it. And all of your conversations will be kept in a very helpful list here on the side. And one of the nice things about ChatGPT is it does carry a memory of your different conversations. So it's very useful as a tool to brainstorm, because ChatGPT is going to really have some intuitive responses to offer. I use it quite a bit myself and do recommend it. Now, let's compare this with Cider. And what Cider actually is Cider is an extension that you can add to your browser, specifically Chrome, and then it's going to show up here in the extensions. You can click on that, and then Cider is going to open up here. And what it actually allows you to do is it allows you to ask multiple chatbots at the same time, so you can get a really nuanced response. And this includes ChatGPT. So if you click here where it says switch model, then you can see the different models that Cider has available, and you could pretty much just select any of the models here. So here we have GPT, so we can click on that and we can ask our questions here. So let's just say, tell me about time travel. Why not? And we're just going to click send on that. And then now Cider is going to ask ChatGPT for us and get a response. So that's really neat. Now, another thing that you can do is you can use the mention model option here. And if you click on this, then you can actually choose multiple models. So if you want to ask ChatGPT, Claude, and DeepSeek, tell me about time travel, then you're going to get a response from each of the models. And that's really, really incredible. Great research tool. And it makes sure that you're getting a balanced perspective. And what you can do is you'll see here where it says 1 out of 3. And if we just click on this arrow here, then we can actually toggle through the different bots in order to see the responses. So an incredibly powerful tool. It's something that I am going to be using myself, and I would recommend it. And in addition to that, we are partnered with Cider for this video. So if you check in the description, you should find a link. If you click on that, then you would be helping us out, and we would certainly appreciate it. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.